We've got an exciting video today, guys. In my possession, I have random baby foods and other assorted items. We have like kale and guava and beets, and that's like we've got other stuff, not just baby foods, but we've got baby foods. We're gonna make homemade ice cream with the baby foods, and then we're gonna have one of my friends come over and taste test all of these different homemade, ridiculous, nonsense ice creams and see if they can figure out which one is which and thoroughly torture them. I'm very excited for it. Let's get it started.
These are baby foods. They're called Happy Baby. I'm not sure how happy a baby is eating kale and spinach. Maybe because babies don't know about Oreos yet. That might be the only reason they would be happy eating these. The ice cream recipe is pretty simple. It's just 2 cups of heavy whipping cream for every 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. You whip it, you stir in your toppings, super easy. So instead of talking about how we're making the recipe, I'm gonna tell you a story about the little ice cream prince. Once upon a time, there was a little ice cream prince. He was a prince made of ice cream. If you couldn't already tell, prince made of ice cream. Pretty standard. The little ice cream prince lived in a spaceship made of cookies. Now I know you're thinking like, why would an ice cream, who lives in a spaceship? Like why does an ice cream, but it's cold in outer space, so it's okay. It's usually cold in outer space, but one day the spaceship flew too close to the sun and the little ice cream prince's face started to melt. And he was like, what am I gonna do, bro? My face is melting. I'm an ice cream prince. I can't afford to have my face melted. So he went to California and got some ice cream plastic surgery. And now he has a reality TV show and is friends with the Kardashians. The end. But that's the end of the story, not the end of the video. Keep watching the video, because there's still more ice cream stuff to come. Now, in case it's hard to follow what we're doing, we've divided the ice cream base into 6 containers. This way we just need to do the base once, well in our case twice because we have a small bowl, but we need to do the base once and then we can have 6 different flavors. After that we just added different flavor into each container. We have baby food in 2. We didn't use every baby food, we just used the strangest ones, like mango probably would have been nice, so we went for something potentially gross. We tried to use the most ridiculous, strange baby food combinations that wouldn't work in ice cream. We have a 3rd container with brownies and cherries that you use in baking pies. This seems not that awful, so we can get a taste for some decent ice cream flavors. We have another one with sweet peppers and feta cheese. This will be a flavor I will probably never taste again for the rest of my life. I hope so, at least. We have another one with Nutella and pre-made coffee. This, again, seems like it's going to be probably a really good ice cream flavor, but we'll see. And then the last one, we have black beans and avocado. Now, avocado ice cream is nothing new. It's been done many times before, but I don't know anyone that puts black beans in it. This is probably a horrible idea. We'll see how it turns out, but for the sake of having fun, we're doing it. Black bean guacamole ice cream. Fantastic.
Alright guys, it's been a week. Tetsuo never showed up. He said something along the lines of, I don't want to eat ice cream that probably has dog food in it. We didn't even put dog food in it. But we're gonna have to taste the ice cream ourselves, which is pretty nice considering I forgot what we even made because it's been a few days already. You probably have a little scruffier than I was at the beginning of the video. Alright, let's taste ice cream number 1. I smashed. This is gonna have plastic in it. Ice cream number 1. It does look like ice cream though. I don't know what it is. It does look like ice cream. So that's nice. I don't remember what the okay. Let's get a nice. Okay, so this is definitely baby food. What kind of baby food is this? Pumpkin? I taste pumpkin. Pumpkin, carrot, something like that. It's not that bad. It's not that bad. I wouldn't go out of my way to get it, but it's edible. It's edible. Alright, so let's see. I'm covering up half the list. What is this? Apples, pumpkin, carrots. I was close. I said pumpkin, right? I said what is pumpkin? It tastes like pumpkin spice. It tastes like pumpkin spice. Next on the list, number 2. This is green. What is green? I think this was the other baby food. I feel like this was probably the other baby food, but I don't even remember what the other baby food was. But I feel like I might have put them next to each other. I don't know what this is, but it just tastes like swamp. It tastes like I'm eating a swamp. What the hell is this? Okay. I mean, it's edible. Again, it's edible. You could eat the rest of it. If you had to, you wouldn't throw up, but I don't know. Pear, kale, spinach. Okay. The pear is probably what makes it edible. Kale and spinach I don't think belong in ice cream. You could eat it. You could eat it. But I don't know if you'd want to like do it willingly. Alright, aside from the baby food, I don't really remember what else we put in these. Number 3. This is number 3, right? Number 3. It looks the same as number 2. What is this? I don't know. It's chunky. What did I put in this? What did I put? It looks like pistachio. I don't remember making pistachio though. Oh, it's so disgusting. What is this? I don't know what this is, but it's so bad. This is vomit. This is vomit. I made vomit. I must have vomited in ice cream. I don't want to eat anymore. I'm not eating any more of that. What is this? Avocado black bean. Don't ever make that into ice cream. That is not good. That tastes like vomit. Don't ever make that into ice cream. That's an executive decision. Please do not make that. It is not good. I really don't want to taste the next one now. Oh, it's in my teeth. Oh, it's in my teeth. Oh, I don't want to taste it. I don't want. I should have a clean palate. I shouldn't be drinking water. I don't want to. Okay, number 4. Number 4. This looks not bad. This looks pretty decent. What is this? What is this? This is. I don't know. Well, I'm not looking at them until after I eat them. Right? But it looks good. Looks good. This is pretty awesome. Yeah, this is pretty good. Tastes like Starbucks. Tastes like hazelnut. What do we make? This is pretty good. Damn! What did we even make? What is this? What is number 4? Number 4. Nutella and coffee. Okay, tastes like. Actually, Nutella is hazelnut, isn't it? Tastes good though. Yeah, I would. That gets the thumbs up. Nutella and coffee. We will say thumbs up. Try it yourself. That one's not bad. That one's pretty good. That one's pretty good. All right. Seem to remember feta cheese. I think this is. I think this is the feta cheese. I think this is the feta cheese. I didn't look, but I remember. I remember that there was feta cheese somewhere in here. I don't remember what else we put in it, but I remember there was feta cheese. God help us. And it's got. I remember what this is. I remember what this is. This is the peppers. Oh God. Okay, just do it. Just do it. Just do it. It could be worse. It could be worse. If a monkey took a dump in my mouth, that would be worse than this, but it could be worse. Okay. Never make that. Don't make that. Don't make that. Don't ever make that. Ever. Don't ever make that. Hold on. What was in that last? What was the last ingredient in that last one? Oh, it was just. I thought there was a third ingredient: sweet peppers and feta cheese. Okay, so this last one is number 6. I don't remember what the last one was. Is this beets? What is this? How do I forget? Because it's been a bit. It's been like a week. What is this? Is this? I know I have black garlic in my refrigerator. Please tell me I didn't put black garlic in ice cream. Oh, this is cherry. This is good. What was the best one? Oh yeah, you could definitely eat this. This is good. This is good ice cream. I really like the consistency of it too. It actually surprisingly, this was like the easiest ice cream to make. It was like super easy, and it actually does not taste. It tastes like ice cream. It tastes like ice cream. Alright guys, final verdict. Do not under any circumstances put feta cheese in ice cream. Number 1. Or avocados and black beans or sweet peppers. Don't ever put those in ice cream. Baby food. A little bit above that. Baby food. There was like the two, like, no. Those two were like, no. The baby food, edible. Edible, right? Nutella coffee, good. Cherries and brownies, good. The ice cream came out pretty good though. The ice cream came out pretty good, but I think we could have expected that. I think we could have expected baby food fruits, good. Chocolate, good. Horrible things in ice cream, bad. Thank God I didn't put any dog food in it. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I will see you as always in the next one.
Can I do it a little bit less like a jackass? Not really. Not really.
This is a perfect example of why you do not throw ice cream.
We getting a set in video.
Oh, God damn it.